Hi, good day. I'm Justin Ihular from Quezon City, Philippines. Today, I'm gonna show you the different parts of pork primal cuts in English and Tagalog. So first, this is the head or ulo in Tagalog. This is the pork shank and foot or pataunahan in Tagalog. This is the Boston shoulder or paypay in Tagalog. This is the picnic shoulder or kasim in Tagalog. This is the belly or yempo in Tagalog. This is the loin or loin in Tagalog. This is the tenderloin or lomo in Tagalog. This is the hind leg or pige in Tagalog. This is the hind shank and foot or patahulihan in Tagalog. And the last one, this is the tail or buntot in Tagalog. That's all. Thank you.